Hello friends, welcome to our channel Stox Factor and welcome to the playlist of tutorials of our product. This is the second video of this video series of tutorials in which we will give you a high level walkthrough of different pages which signifies different dimensions to analyze in a holistic manner. In total, we have 8 pages in our dashboard which covers 8 different data segments and also involves analytics which we have performed on these different data segments. The main feature or characteristic of Stox Factor is to analyze the derivatives data in conjunction with cash market data to offer rich analytics so that you can take effective decisions on those data points. Now, in case of indexes, we offer analytics on NIFTY and BANKNIFTY, which are the topmost indexes and highly liquid indexes to trade. Coming to the stocks, in case of stocks, we have chosen the top 130 stocks which are also in futures and options segment to provide you the 360-degree analysis for individual stocks as well. So in total, I will tell you how many data points we offer in our dashboard. First is the cash market data, which includes historical and daily data. Second comes the derivatives data, which includes futures and options data, again which includes the historical and daily data. Third is the main indexes data, which includes NIFTY and BANKNIFTY. The fourth is the sectoral indexes data, which includes NIFTY IT, oil and gas, metal, media, etc. Fifth is the FII and DII daily activity and historical activity as well. Sixth is the volatility data of individual stocks and as well as the index, that is the India VIX. And last but not the least is the block and bulk deals data, which tells you about the daily highly traded activities on the individual stocks. So friends, without wasting any more time, let us start with a high level walkthrough of the dashboard. So as you can already see on your screens that this is the first page of the dashboard, which is called the daily summary page. In this page, we provide you the overview of the last trading day, means the current trading day, the latest trading day summary in terms of the indexes as well as the individual stocks. So I will cover all these individual dimensions lately when we discuss specifically about this particular page. Now coming to the second page, which provides you the last week summary. So let me switch to that page. So this particular page provides you the last week summary, whatsoever have happened in individual stocks as well as the sectors, and what was the trading data for FIIs and DIIs in last week. So this gives you the last week overview. Coming to the third page, this page offers you the Nifty stocks weightage as well as the individual market share of the Nifty 50 stocks and the difference of each individual stock in terms of percentage from their 52-week highs. So as you can see on the screen on the right hand side, this visual tells you what is the percentage difference of each individual stock from their recent 52-week highs. Now coming to the fourth page. So friends, this is the fourth page of our dashboard, which is called NIFTY and BANKNIFTY analysis. In this particular page, you can do the detailed analysis and we offer you the most promising data points for BANKNIFTY as well as NIFTY. So in order to see those data points, you can select from this particular filter NIFTY and BANKNIFTY, and you can also select the time frame for up to 6 months. So and then you can analyze the NIFTY and BANKNIFTY data points in detail. Coming to the fifth page, which is also called symbol approaching hotspots. So what do we mean by hotspots? So hotspot are the areas or the dynamic resistance and support zones. So we have called these resistance and support zones as hotspots. So these can be in terms of moving averages as well as the 52-week high and low zones. So you can see that we have listed all the stocks which are near to their 200-day moving average, 100-day moving average, 50-day moving average and 52-week high zone, new 52-week high, 52-week low zone and new 52-week low. So this page offers you the filters in which you can select particular stock which are in a particular area or zone or hotspot. Now coming to the fifth page, which is individual stock analysis, in which you can actually perform individual stocks analysis in detailed way, which provides you the rich analytic in a holistic way, combining both cash and derivatives market data. So we offer you, as I mentioned in the starting of the video that we offer you a list of 130 stocks which also belong to the futures and options segment. So you can select any of the stocks from this particular filter as well as the time frame, and then you can see the whole data for that particular stock. So I will explain you each and everything, individual parameter in detail when we cover the details of each individual page. Okay, so now coming to the 7th page of this particular dashboard, which offers you the FII DII's daily and historical activity in terms of 4 tables. So the first table is the daily activity of provisional data of FIIs and DIIs, which is released just few hours after the market is closed. Then is the FII data which is released from the SEBI side. Then FII DII's futures activity in the futures and options segment, and the FII DII's historical activity which has taken in the past. This is the monthly data. Okay, so this provides you the high level overview of the FIIs and DIIs historical as well as daily activity. Now coming to the last but not the least, which I mentioned, that block and bulk deals data. So this is the 8th page which offers you all the block and bulk deals which has happened on a particular day, including the last trading day also. So you can see the historical data up to 6 months also in this particular page. Okay, so friends, with this we have covered all the 8 pages of this particular dashboard. Now as we move on in this particular tutorial series, we will cover each individual page in detail and we will see each data point which we have covered in that particular page. So friends, thanks for watching this video and keep providing your feedback so that we can offer our best services to you. Thank you.